All right, we got it. All right, it's in. We're safe. Now we got to get the goats out. They're trying to eat the chicken food. What is going on? We are out with the goats and the chickens now because they're both out on the same pastured area. These guys want out. You guys want a break? Come on out. Uh-oh, there they go. So far, the chickens have been adapting quite well down in their new area. They have yet to escape. They've all stayed inside. They've all actually been shocked by the fence a few times. The only issue we've been having really is just the egg box. They're not using it yet, which I kind of anticipated. Oh, I can see a bunch right there. They're going underneath. And they're placing them, there you go, you see them in the corners too. So they're not in the box, but they are under the box and underneath the entire coop itself, which is fine. We'll get used to it. So I know they were out here earlier today. They picked some up, placed them down in here. So there's 3, what did I say? 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 8. And there's a 9th one inside here. So that's not bad. Yesterday, I think I ended up with like only 4 eggs. So I figured they'd be a little bit stressed from the move, but 9 today and the day's not over yet. But one problem we had yesterday, oh, this is it right here. This thing is empty. I filled that thing 3 times yesterday. So they're going through water like crazy. And that was just a temporary water jug just to get down here. I've got my giant 55-gallon barrel up there that we're gonna go ahead and grab today, see if we can get it down here and set up. That way we don't have to worry about water problems after this. I'm not really sure how full it is. That's why I didn't move it the other night. Cause yeah. Where'd all the chickens go? Yeah, buddy? You can come in? Chickens went bye-bye, huh? All right, luckily it's only like a third, maybe a quarter full, so it's not terribly heavy, but it's still gonna probably suck to get it out of there. No chickens, huh? I'm gonna see if I can just roll this out of here. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. Then we'll dump it, clean it, give them a fresh start. Want to break off any of these little drinker things. Oh, ooh, is that dirty? Oh, oh man, oh crap. I thought I broke one, but maybe not. Here we go. Yeah. Do a little brush cleaning. Is that yucky, buddy? You see it? You got the water? Okay, ready? It's gonna come out fast. Whoa! You got it, buddy. Here, we'll rinse it off. I got it, bud. Thank you. Big helper. Yep, that was it. Let's just dump this out. I think it's all clean, bud. right, buddy, you ready to go fill this up? Oh, there we go. All right. And your snacks. Got your snacks? Yep. All right, let's get this thing in there because it's probably gonna take a while to fill it up. But the chickens will be happy. All right, I'm thinking back over here. Don't need this no more. Yeah, buddy? What you got? Oh my goodness. I'm honestly not sure if I'm gonna have enough hose up here to make it all the way down there. It'll be close. I don't have a hose over there. I have one over there. Yeah, I'll have to see. Ooh, we just might make it. Just maybe. What up, buddy? Ooh, yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make it. Stay back, chicken. Stay back, chicken. Uh-oh, is he getting your snack, buddy? Hey, stay back, bud. Oh man, it's gonna be so close. I don't think so, chicken. Uh-oh, you okay up there, buddy? They getting ya? Hey. Here, we'll hang it back up here, buddy, okay? So you can't get it, okay? You wanna come down? Oh my gosh. That's the length right there. It's perfect. Get some of that warm hose water out of there. What do you think, buddy? We're gonna fill up this tank though, okay? All right. We'll just let it be, okay, bud? Uh-oh. Goats chasing the chicken? What are you doing out? What are you doing out, buddy? Hey. Think we can get it scared back over there? So while I was trying to get the hose into the gate, one chicken did escape. And of course it ran into all the thick stuff. Oh, it's coming back out. Okay, there it is. But the goats are running around like crazy. I think it's spooking it and it ran in there. So I might just, might let it be for this evening. You gonna go check, you gonna catch it? You can go catch it? You wanna catch a chicken? You can try. Let's see if you can catch him, buddy. You'll get him? All right, let's see it. Yeah, it was pretty fast. Are you faster? Maybe we spook them back this way. I think the rest of the chickens are more worried about the fresh water coming in, so I am going to just open up the gate, and most likely it'll go back in. I'll have a nice 8-foot wide space. There he is. Uh-oh. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff going on. We've got goats with the chickens. No, you guys don't need to be in there. No, AJ. You don't need to be in there, bro. Watch out. We've got all kinds of chaos going on. And you found a big stick? That's pretty cool. All right, let's see if we can spook this chicken back in quick. Now that it's got a nice 8-foot wide hole in the fence it can go into. All right, come on this side, buddy. Come over here. There we go. All right, so let's see if we can push him back into the gate. Oh, he's going. Good job, buddy. There we go. Keep it going, keep it going. All right, we got it. All right, it's in, we're safe. Now we gotta get the goats out. They're trying to eat the chicken food. All right, so it looks like the water is done. So my first step to get out of this situation here will be, if I get this gate locked, is get the hose out of here. All right, chickens, you happy now? There we go. Some fresh water. All right, I think the easiest way for me to get the goats out of the chicken pen now is grab some food for them, and they will come running. It's about time for their evening feed anyway. All right, goats, you guys hungry? You guys hungry? Nope. There we go. You gonna get them, buddy? They try to feed you a pumpkin today? Yeah? I think the chickens might appreciate that more. There you go, chickens. All right, buddy. So the other thing I want to do to this coop quick is this door. The door itself is functioning fine, but this is just a piece of plywood and it's very slick. So when the chickens came out, it was like a giant slide. It was kind of funny to watch them just sliding out of here. But at the same time, when they're trying to get back up there like last night, they didn't have traction and they couldn't. And I think that was stopping a lot of the chickens from actually trying to get up there. They were trying to fly in from the sides and they couldn't quite get it and their wings were hitting the stuff. So I had to pick up each one and put them up and in there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get some sort of traction on here. I'm gonna go ahead and just unscrew it and take it to the barn and see if we can attach something from up there. All right. There we go. Okay, should we go fix it? You're gonna climb inside? All right. So I originally was just gonna, like any other chicken ramp or board I've made, I usually just make a little wood strips across there to screw them on. But my daughter, while they were having trouble yesterday, made a comment that I think is actually going to work pretty well. Is just to use more of this wire meshing so I can actually put it on kind of loose and just staple around the edges, and then it'll allow plenty of traction, I believe. And this way then too, maybe more of the dirt and stuff will kind of just fall off instead of having those wood strips. They're like little shelves. They catch all these stuff, all the poop and dirt and debris, and it just sits there. This, hopefully things will just kind of fall through it for the most part. So we're gonna give it a try, but it'll work. Oh, perfect.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think I got it straightened out fairly good. I mean, like I said, having a little bit of waviness or bumps to it will probably help in the long run. So yeah, I think we're gonna just tack it in right there. I'll just start right up here. All right, just like that, we have our traction. So hopefully that'll work for them. I think it will, and that'll be enough to probably knock off some of the dirt and debris. But yeah, let's go give it a whirl. All right. So we get this thing attached, get them ready for tonight. There we go, just like that. Well, looks like I am about to crawl inside the coop, pull out the egg, move the coop, get the eggs from out from underneath it, but we're gonna call it good for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See y'all next time. Later.